Imagine stepping into the lively world of Bicol University. It's more than just a campus, it's a place filled with the buzz of academic success ever since it started in 1969. Here, you'll find more than just classrooms. You'll find a community that's all about developing leaders who love learning and helping others. Bicol University is not just a place for classes, it's a hub for dreams to take flight. Nestled in the heart of Legazpi City, with branches reaching out like friendly tendrils, this university buzzes with life and possibility. So, get ready for a journey where striving for excellence has no limits. Welcome to Bicol University, where every step forward is a step toward greatness. In 1998, Bicol University hit a major milestone, becoming a top-notch SUC Level 4 university. That's right, it's not just any university. It's the cream of the crop among universities in the Bicol region. But what truly makes it special isn't just its status. It's the values it treasures: scholarship, leadership, character, and service. Let's talk about their College of Science. It's like stepping into a treasure trove of discovery. Established in 2004, it's where future scientists and innovators are born. They're not just about theory here. They're about making a real difference in the world. And their course offerings, they have biology, chemistry, computer science, information technology, and lastly, meteorology. Bicol University is a university where learning isn't just a task. It's an adventure waiting to unfold.
Hello everyone! Today, we will be interviewing computer science students here in the College of Science. They will be sharing their individual journeys and reasons to why they chose computer science as their field of study. So, without further ado, let's start.
Para po sa pera.
Mataas daw kasi yung sahod.
Hindi ko rin po alam.
Nili ko po yung Kamsay kasi dati pa po mahilig na po ako magkalikot and nagkukod-kod na din po ako way back.
Kasi akala ko po may pogi.
Kasi dun po nag-a-align yung mga interest ko.
Para mapaiba naman po.
Kasi po, maraming opportunities sa computer science.
Kasi akala ko connected siya sa TVL course ko nung junior high school.
When I was in high school, back then, I was better in technology than everybody else. So that concluded why I was able to take computer science.
As a computer science student, we spend time studying the fundamental concepts of computer science and doing coding exercises in the computer lab. But this isn't the only thing we do. Despite our studies, we also find enjoyment in activities like chatting with classmates while coding, playing mobile games, sleeping, and simply relaxing inside the computer lab or classroom. Being a computer science student is an experience na hindi para sa lahat. It is included in the list of the most difficult courses na hindi lahat ng estudyante kayang isurvive yung course until the very end. Some end up being an irregular student, shifts on a course, or nagdi-drop na lang. Despite all of this, we believe that our experiences as a student are a mix of stress, frustration, disappointment, enjoyment, and fulfillment. Our goal in studying is clear: to become proficient in various programming languages and frameworks. We want to broaden our knowledge and enhance our skills in using programming languages to increase our chances in the competitive technology industry. We also remain focused on our self-improvement as students. Our aim is to strengthen our abilities in problem solving, delve deeper into complex algorithms, and study emerging technologies.
Aside from our academic experiences, we also cherish the opportunities outside the classroom, where we find a break from the frustrations that come with our course. These events, such as CSIT Days, Science and Technology Fair, and other university events, offer more than just academic engagement. During the Science and Technology Fair, the campus is filled with excitement as various activities and competitions are held, showcasing the diverse talents and skills of students. From Letve Musda contests to tech-related workshops, we immerse ourselves in an atmosphere of innovation and camaraderie, where the campus transforms into a hub of scientific exploration and discovery. Through interactive exhibits and presentations, we delve into cutting-edge technologies and scientific advancements, igniting our curiosity and passion for learning beyond the classroom. Through these events, we not only gain valuable insights and experiences, but also find comfort and relaxation amidst the challenges of our academic journey. They serve as reminders of the vibrant and dynamic nature of our field, motivating us to continue pursuing our passion for technology and innovation.